If you did 500k dropshipping, you already know the basics of bundling. The real challenge is finding the right related products that actually make sense for the customer and increase conversion. So here's a step-by-step guide to double your AOV and suggest the right bundle to your customers. Step 1, stop thinking related, start thinking solution-based. Instead of asking the question what products are related, ask what is the customer real intent when buying this product from me. For example, if you're selling a coffee machine and bundling them with coffee mugs. The mug is related, but it doesn't solve a real problem or increase perceived value. Here's what you do instead. Sell a high-end espresso machine and bundle it with a water filtration system and a barista course video, because it adds high-end coffee lovers care about water quality and perfection their craft. The point is that the best bundles are just about related products. They should improve the overall experience of the main purchase. Step number 2, how to discover the right complementary product. The best way to uncover the product that actually work together is talking to customers. You can use a customer feedback form. Your support emails, chat log, and phone calls are gold mine for understanding your customer's pain point after purchase. Look at post-purchase question. What do people struggle with after buying? Check refund reasons. What missing that prevents satisfaction? For example, you sell high-end gaming chairs and you see multiple clients asking, can I use this with a standing desk? Instead of bundling a random gaming accessory, you bundle it with desk converters that allows sitting, standing adjustment. And this is how you created a bundle based on real customer behavior. And then of course you need to test and iterate. Start with a small A/B testing, run 2 versions of the same product within the same page, and one with the bundle, one without. Measure AOV increase and checkout rate conversion. Monitor support feedback. If people still asking the same problem, adjust the bundle. Make it feel just like natural part of the product. And if it looks like an add-on, it won't work. It should fit like an essential part of the experience. So always remember to shift from selling product to selling solution, because the best e-commerce brand don't sell products, they sell transformation. If your bundle makes the main product more useful, more enjoyable, more effective, customers will buy it. Let me know in the comments if you want more video like this, and don't forget to check my description for more exclusive Facebook services. See you there.